Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be my weekend at Auto Club Speedway. I did a doubleheader, so Saturday and Sunday I was tracking both days. I'm going to go ahead and post a couple hot laps that I had. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted my PB for the day, which was 149.1, so still wasn't able to get a PB. Not sure why. The tires had 8 heat cycles through them. By the end of the day, they were done. They were cording on the right side, and I was rotating constantly throughout the 2 days. I felt like I had an effective system when I rotated the tires, but turn 1 and turn 2 puts a lot of load on that right hand side of the car, and you'll see if I add it to the end, I had just a slight oversteer exiting turn 2, which if you guys have ever done Auto Club Speedway, I think my speed there was probably like 125 miles an hour. So having oversteer on that big ass turn is pretty sketch. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'm gonna include a video that I made in between Saturday and Sunday, just kind of like my thoughts. I was looking over the data when I got home. I wanted to see if I can learn from Saturday and come out on Sunday instead of fast lap time, but wasn't even able to beat my PB from Saturday. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Other than that, talk to you guys later. Peace. So this isn't the PB of Saturday, but I accidentally deleted it. If you guys saw right there, I brake checked myself going into turn 1 and 2, which shaved off way too much speed. I'm already in the 120s. I should be in the mid 130s right there if I want a quick lap time. Clearly not there. I don't know if it was a confidence issue or what. I can't remember exactly, but Saturday I had more grip than Sunday, that's for sure. Little wonky line into turn 3, but turn 4 pretty good. A little oversteer, spinning of the tires on the exit of it, trying to get around the Miata. Tried to do a triangle between the two apexes for that turn right there, since the Miata was in the way. Coming down, and once again on the brakes for this turn, which you don't need to do. You just literally just coast through it if you need to decelerate. And yeah, I don't know. Usually I'm a lot better than this at this track. This track's super easy. We all know that, but apparently I, wasn't fully committed. Coming down straight under the bridge, hitting about 100, 135 apparently. Hard on the brakes, and same thing. I don't know what was up with my lines. Well, I actually was trying a lot of different things on Saturday to see what would work after I knew I could go home and look at the data on Saturday night. So that's why I was doing different things. Swinging it wide, I really liked the way I took this turn for sure. But that last turn, if you looked at the speeds, I was in the 60s and 70s. The car did not feel confident going through that section. So let's see if the adjustments I made any difference in speed.
Alright, so as you can see, tough day. Tough day as far as setting obviously a PB. Once again, I wasn't really monitoring air pressure. So tomorrow I'm definitely going to be paying attention to that all day long, because my first session was perfect. So I'm going to look over the data, compare some lap times, see where I can make up time, and try and find that ideal lap time.
Alright, here we go. First session of Sunday. This is the 5th lap into my first session. Not hitting the brakes this time, carrying a lot more speed through the bowl. Trying to hold at 135. Yep, perfect. So clearly had the balls to send it through there that time. Wasn't getting the top speed that I wanted down the stretch. And I think that's honestly due to running 91 octane. When I was running 91 octane, my GPS speed was saying that my top speed was at a 158. Now, generally when it gets hotter outside, turbo cars get slower because of heat soak, right? Well, when I was running race gas 98, which was the highest they had, by the end of the day I was hitting 166 down the straight. So clearly had an effect on the car's performance going down the straight. But trying to close in on this this Ford, I think it's a GT350, and trying to make a pass without hindering my lap time, clearly. Man. And I have a good track battle coming for you guys too. I made a pass the lap before this on a Corvette, and he was riding my ass. So there'll be some rear view action for you guys as well to see how close he was, because man, I think he was pissed off that I potentially dive bombed him. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. But here we are, this turn again. I think I'm carrying more speed, just slightly more. It was still the first session, so I'm still trying to get comfortable with that turn with the adjustments I made. Later on in the day, though, I'm pretty sure that I was running pretty fast through there because the car just felt so good. Alright, here we are, last lap of the video. Unfortunately, it's not going to be a PB. So if you're here for a PB, it's not going to be it. Only hitting 151 down the straight and dropping below 130 through the bowl turn. So definitely losing some speed here. I want to say this was about heat cycle 15 through these AR-1s. By the end of the day, they were showing cords, and there was major traction issues on the last two sessions. But this session, lap 3 and 4 and 5 were pretty consistent. I'm going to be doing a review on this tire. I also have some AO52s that I have that I'm going to go ahead and use for the next 2 weekends. Burn those up and give you guys a video on those as well. And then we'll do a comparison video between the two, because I know there's a lot of track people out there that both of these tires are an option, and they both like to hear thoughts and opinions and a comparison between the two. So holding pretty good speed through the chicane right there. I think it entered at 107, holding at like exiting at 100, I think. Get a little wheel spin exiting this turn. Going down the straight, I don't think I reach anywhere near my normal top speed that I was hitting, or trap speed. Yeah, 131, and then hard on the brakes. I'm guessing the brakes were pretty much getting soft, but I'm not too sure. Babying the car through there, usually I get a little wheel spin and it's very manageable and predictable, but nothing there. Trying to swing wide, and then I cut it too short. I think I had a little bit of oversteer right there. I think you saw the wheel correction, but back on the throttle, only able to hit 80 on the exit of that turn, so definitely lost a considerable amount of time there. But that'll be it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions, please drop in the comment section and let me know. Other than that, take it easy.